The Association of Canadian Community Colleges presents an update into their Student Partners Program. Who is ACCC? National and International Voice of Canada's 130 public post-secondary institutions of applied learning and applied research, advanced skills for employment. Their mandate? Advocacy, sharing, and coordination, a one-door entry into decentralized system. Community colleges, university colleges, cégeps, institutes of technology, polytechnics, institutes, universities. 1.5 million learners. Multicultural and open to the world. 70 employees at the Secretariat. Access in more than 1,000 communities across Canada. Common values. Reflects the diversity of its community, accessible to all who want to learn, focused on its learners and their success, closely connected to employers, applied learning and research, open to the world. Together, these values lead the way to advanced skills for employment. Indicators of success. 90% of graduates have a job within 6 months. 93% of employers are satisfied with graduates. 22% of learners with university degrees and/or studies. According to the Canadian Federation of Independent Business, SMEs need 7 college grads for every 3 university grads in this decade, working in more than 20 countries around the world to transfer and adapt to the Canadian college education for employment approach. Programs: 2- and 3-year diplomas to train technicians, technologists, mid-level managers, and service providers, levels often neglected in most countries, leading to systemic underemployment and lack of productivity. Applied degrees, like university bachelor degrees, but with an applied focus in a particular field. Examples among many: Bachelor of Applied Technology in Industrial Design, Bachelor of Applied Technology in Construction Science and Management, and Bachelor of Arts in Criminal Justice. Postgraduate certificates and diplomas, more specialized and focused on current industry practices, leading to high employability for graduates. University degrees or college diplomas are required to be eligible in the postgraduate programs. Very popular among increasing numbers of international university graduates who cannot find jobs because of their lack of hands-on experience. Example: large numbers of Indian students studying at Canadian colleges and institutes in these postgraduate offerings at Canadian colleges and institutes. Joint college and university diplomas and degrees. 2 years of college and 2 years of university. Smaller classes at the beginning, more applied and more practical with opportunities for placements with industry while at college, often lower cost than university alone. Examples: Cité Collégiale and Université d'Ottawa Communications, Chinese students taking ESL upgrading, first 2 years of a joint diploma degree at colleges, then to university. Applied research and innovation, mostly done in response to needs of SMEs and must involve students of the college. Initially based on the Centres de Transfert de Technologie model in Quebec, involves solving challenges by innovating in production or service processes mostly. Several possibilities for joint initiatives with international partners or joint applied research. Can also attract a good number of international students. Example: creation of 3D games for Ontario House at the Vancouver Olympics of 2010. Sheridan Institute of Technology and Advanced Learning in partnership with Toronto-based Spatial View Incorporated. An international partner matchmaker. We can facilitate overseas institutions in finding appropriate Canadian college partnerships. Bringing stakeholders together, example: WFCP Congress, fora in Brazil, China, Vietnam, Canada, etc. Assisting in developing or strengthening colleges and TVET systems overseas, example: Education for Employment Program. Leading Canadian college visits overseas, example: Advanced Skills for Employment Mission in India, September 2012, FICCI Global Skills Summit, Punjab Visit, Emerging Kerala. Vocation educational leadership training for Chinese college presidents, VPs, deans, and directors. Background: ACCC has been working with CIC Delhi on its Canada Immigrants Integration Project CIIP since 2005 as it prepares skilled immigrants to be job ready when they land in Canada. Colleges have felt that their programs were not really understood by CIC visa officers, which may explain the low approval rate for student visa permits. Student Partners Program was established as a pilot program in April 2009, and CIC identified 20 colleges actively recruiting in India. What is SPP? The Student Partners Program in India is an administrative framework designed and implemented in partnership between the Canadian visa offices in India and the Association of Canadian Community Colleges. Objectives: 1. Increase approval rates for study permit applications destined to participate in colleges. 2. Ensure program integrity and minimize immigration violations. Tools to meet objectives. The primary tools to meet these objectives are A. A streamlined but more demanding set of verifiable support documents. B. A commitment by member colleges to report back concerning in good standing status of students. And C. Unique points of contact and dedicated communication channels to manage information flow. When was it implemented? SPP India timelines. In 2009, it was a pilot program with 20 colleges. In 2010, it became a regular program with 39 colleges. In 2011, a regular program with 43 colleges. And 2012, regular program with 42 colleges. Who participates in SPP? In Canada, a list of institutions participating is listed on the site on the screen. The final decision to admit any new member rests with CIC New Delhi in consultation with ACCC. How does SPP work? Only open to Indian nationals. It also has a simplified application process with a checklist available at the link on the screen. Requirements include a letterman of acceptance from SPP institution in Canada, IELTS 6.0 test results, overall band not less than 5.5, copy of receipts by SPP institution for tuition payment, copy of educational loan from amongst list of acceptable Indian chartered banks, and optional Canadian GICs. What is next? Diversity marketing efforts, location and use of technology, optional GIC to mandatory Canadian GIC in September 2013, and more Canadian banks. Under discussion with CIC Ottawa, SPPs for Brazil, Francophone West Africa, and Vietnam. Minimize student transfers.